Welcome back to Fisher Family Adventures. Today we're heading out to one of the local shipwrecks around the area. We're going to drop our GoPro to the bottom to see what's down there. So on the way down, you're starting to see some pretty scary sights here. A ton of predators in this area. There's some big sharks on the way down. These are some really, really big goliath groupers, at least 100 pounders that we're seeing on the bottom of the ocean floor here. So by my count, I've seen about a dozen big goliath groupers and at least 5 or 6 giant sharks. I would not want to be a bait down here or a snapper or anything around these types of predators. There's tons of them here. As if that wasn't enough, above the goliath groupers and the sharks are tons of big barracudas that were stealing the snapper and trying to get past them. This is pretty ridiculous. Then we see a big school of jacks even above them, so there's lots of life on this shipwreck. Now go on the bottom again, we see another school of giant sharks. These are really big sharks, at least 10 footers for most of them, mixed in with some jacks and some more goliath groupers on this wreck. And above this big goliath grouper is a sea turtle, which is pretty cool to see. I've never seen one this close up, but we're going to pull the GoPro up and get a good view of its back. It's actually really interesting. I've never seen one of those up close like that. I normally don't let you get close to him, but he's around some big predators. A good fish. Well, that was instant on the squid tracks. On the squid tracks. This feels of the grouper variety though. Oh, he's got some fight to him. He's coming up. Oh, I don't know. He's still kicking. Jeez. Is this another mutton? Is that a red? What is that? Ah, oh, you don't need to net him. Oh, I got him. You don't need to net him. He had some fight in the end there, though. Made me think he was something else.
That's what I think hit me.
These guys are out of season. That was quick. That was quick. Mine came off. That was quick.
No, mine's on the bottom.
I got hit by something. He came off though. There must be some structure down there then. There we go. I got whatever this is off the bottom. Feels like another grouper though. That's something smaller than the last one. Oh, that's a good sign. Maybe. The remora. Remora ate this. on the squid truck. Oh my God, instantly. Oh, this is a better fish. Oh, jeez. Hoping this isn't a red grouper. But it's giving me red grouper vibes. Come on, what are you? Thinking a big red grouper? It's definitely bigger than the first one. Come on. Big red grouper. Yeah. That's the fattest.
Oh my God, Enrique.
That's a fat boy.
On the squid?
Yeah, on the squid trucks. That's a fat red grouper. Look at that guy.
Wow. Look what he just spit up.
What is that?
Fucking big piece of bait.
That's the fattest red grouper I've caught in a while.
Ready?
Wow. On the squid trucks. That's a big, man, this is a heavy fish. He's going back though, they're out of season. There we go. That's something big. Okay. Nah. He's pulling me. It is a good fish. Although it feels like another red. You want me to go easy on him? All right, I'll go easy on him. Easy, just rock back and forth. Easy, look at that. Look how easy I'm going. It's a red grouper, I know what it is. Whoa, you just dove straight down. It's a 28-inch red grouper, that's what this is. All right, we're gonna get a look at him. He just dove again. What is that? Is that a red grouper? I think it is. We're going easy on him. On this red grouper. God damn it, is that the same one as before?
Holy shit, man.
I got him. I think this is the same red grouper as before, dude. Honestly, it looks just like him. Hey, who's lost some baits? Yeah.
On the side, put them like this.
The guy's got baits in his mouth. There he goes.
Swim.
He's gone. Oh! There's another mutton. He's coming up easy right now. Nah, that's not AJ. I think it's a big mutton. He's scoping out, man. Could be a mutton. He's coming. He's not going straight up and down. That her? Big red grouper. Another gag. What? Close to it too, not even in this area.
Oh, look at the bottom now.
Oh wow. Another gag grouper.
Jig time.
Dude, that's a big mutton. That's a big mutton.
Oh, delicious. Come on, man.
Big mutton, dude. Oh. That's a good fish.
Whoa.
Did he just get eaten?
No.
That's him?
The mutton.
That's a big mutton. I'll get him.
It's right here.
Yeah. Nice mutton. Oh, gag.
Mmm.
Oh, jeez. Easy. That's a fucking nice gag, too, though. Of course you catch those fuckers out of season.
Mm-hmm. I think I was 15. This is gonna be a mangrove. Oh, oh. It's not something tiny. What is it? Red grouper? Yeah. He would have kept. Got another one on. Got another tail. Really far off the bottom too. Actually, this guy's kind of heavy. What is this? I don't think it's a tail.
Man.
This is a good fish, whatever it is. Is it red? Yeah.
Red grouper.
Not a big one, but I thought he was a mangrove. Yeah, he was off the bottom.
Mine are not, mine's not even eating power. Look at that big show right there.
That's a big mutton, dude. No, it's a mutton. 32-inch mutton snapper. That's what it is. What's up? Oh, no, it's straight up and down. But exactly like a goliath would, but I don't think this is a goliath. He's straight up and down though, man. And he was sitting on it, right? This is a big, this is a black grouper actually. I changed my mind, it's a black grouper. Yeah, it's a black grouper. 100%. He's straight up and down, he was sitting on your bait. Careful doing that, man. You don't want to go in the water. You gaining on him? Black grouper would be on this type of bottom too.
Yeah, but I don't think fucking worked out.
Nothing up. I don't know what this is then. I don't think he is. I think he's caught in the bottom. Is he coming up? Oh, he is? Yeah, it's probably a goliath then.
Get away from my doors or you good?
He's good. He's good right now. Is that him down there? Is that a cobia? Something that looked like a cobia just swam under the boat. Don't lose this fish, man. Yeah, oh, yeah, I think it's a big goliath. No, he's right down there, I see him. He's coming up, whatever he is. We're gonna get to see him. That's a shark. Yeah, it's a shark.
I told you, I can feel it.
He was straight up and down though. Had me fooled. You bring your gun, you wanna shoot him? Got eaten.
Get him, boys.
I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. It's big, whatever it is. I feel him around the legs. I think this is a goliath. I think this is a goliath. The predators? Alright, I'm gonna try and muscle this guy up. I'm rubbing on something here. Yeah, that was a goliath. Of course he took everything. Oh. Alright guys, that was pretty cool and pretty scary to see all those predators over this wreck. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.